Hey guys, I'm Torrin. Thanks for checking out the channel. Today's video is a lifelike drawing of Dumbledore. This is a request I received a couple of months ago from a viewer called Marmalade, so thank you Marmalade. Finally got around to doing it. Was in a Christmassy mood, and to me Harry Potter is very festive, so I thought I'd crack onto it. I'm considering doing more of the Harry Potter characters over this next month, so let me know if you're keen on that, and if you have a request for someone or something, please just leave a comment down below and I check them all out. So to start this one off, I just use a simple quartered grid to help me lay out the basic outline. Then it's time to go in with the Prismacolor pencils. I use a lot of layers to achieve the correct tones, and then just different techniques to blend and scrape with a blade to lift the color off of areas in highlight, kind of like in the masses of hair. I found the hair in this one a big challenge for me, as this one I've never done grey or white hair in a colored pencil drawing before. So I found it really hard to achieve a realistic look. This is where I really look up to artists like Heather Rooney, who's an absolutely flawless way of illustrating hair in photorealistic portraits. So because of all this hair, the drawing ended up taking about 12 hours, I think. I film it over a few days, of course, because I have my kids to look after, but it was definitely the longest I've ever spent on a colored pencil drawing, and I feel like I learnt a lot. I would love to try the Caran d'Ache pencils in my future portraits, so I've actually made myself a promise that when I reach 1,000 subscribers on my channel, I will treat myself to them, as they are very expensive. So if you'd like to help me reach that goal and hopefully see my art reach another level, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the button below. So you may notice I'm using a clear packet underneath my hand to stop any smudging of the pencils beneath. I used to use paper, but I realized you can't see the image beneath, which is not ideal in a time-lapse drawing. So I changed that up recently. Here's the final drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll pop the link to my Hermione one that started this series off, and I'll keep my eyes peeled on the comments below for your requests for the next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you later.